Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PayPal Mass Pay for creator earnings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable PayPal Mass Pay for your creator earnings, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the PayPal business dashboard. Look for the Tools option in the top menu. Under Tools, click on All Tools. Scroll down to find the Mass Payment feature. Select Mass Payment to view the available options. If you don't see the Mass Payment option, you may need to apply for access. To apply, check if you are using a PayPal business account, as this feature is not available for personal accounts. If needed, upgrade your account to business status. After accessing the Mass Payment feature, click on Get Started. You will see the guidelines and requirements for using Mass Payment. Read through these details carefully to understand how it works. Next, you will need to prepare a payment file. This file should be in the format specified by PayPal, typically a tab delimited file. Include the necessary details such as recipient email addresses and payment amounts in the file. Once your payment file is ready, return to the Mass Payment page. Upload your payment file using the designated Upload button. After the file is uploaded, review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the payments and submit the Mass Payment request. PayPal will process your request, which may take some time depending on the number of payments. You will receive a notification once the payments have been successfully processed. Keep track of your payments through the transaction history in your PayPal account. This completes the process to enable and use PayPal Mass Pay for your creator earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.